Hi, hello, good morning. And my name is Nehaja Kedala, and my room number is ST20254632. And today, I'm studying in Cardiff Metropolitan University. My branch is MSc Advanced Computer Science. In that, we have a module like Team Software Development. In that, we have a group assignment that is Team Software Development. We need to up, we need to develop an application like mobile application in that as a group of team members should participate in that my role is user representative. Today I'm we group as giving an presentation here. uh, this is Snehaja, and these are the details about my details about my group. And introduction about this application. The application is about the postnatal depression in women, and this application mainly focuses on women suffering with postnatal depression. That is a common mental issue that affects women after childbirth. According to the WHO, that is World Health Organization, approximately 10% of women suffer from the postnatal depression. In our module, we have a assignment like develop a mobile application on postnatal depression. Here we have some some experiencing postnatal women experiencing postnatal depression, that is feeling sad, hopeless, anxious, and may have difficulty sleeping, eating, or taking care of themselves and their body. In this report, we will outline the key features of a mobile application that aims to support women with postnatal depression. Next, the main goal of the application is to help women with postnatal depression to manage the daily tasks and schedules in an efficient and easy to use manner. And the next slide will be explained by one of my team member. And thank you.
Here I will explain about the user sign in. First, a user need to sign up using Google account, Facebook account, and Twitter account. Before sign up, the system will show the pop-up which say that you are the giving the complete access to the system to collect the information from the account details like password. If user grant the permission that they can also sign in. After the getting sign in rights, user can access the feature of the application. For sign up as a user, just have to connect it the API login verification of each individual, then store the login details the user in database as each will be unique from each other and a lot of them unique ID database for the scrutiny. So there was a app which we developed, like there is a two images. First we can see there is a three there is a three method to login. First is user can log in with Facebook, second one user can log in with Twitter, and third one is Google, with the Google. And the second slide we can show that there is a username password which user use to the login. Now one of my team member will continue the presentation.
Hi, very good morning to all. Myself, Rajkam Samatha, and I have worked a team software development project, and my role was a scribe. I worked as a scribe role, and now I use it to explain about the user dashboard. I worked as a user dashboard as well, and now what does mean the user dashboard means? As per the requirement of the application, we have developed the screen. I mean, we have developed the screen which is consists about the profile image of the user, which is the image is gathered from the user data from the database of user. So from that we can use it to sign up, and we have also developed the notification pop-up in the screen, so which is helpful to pop up a message for the user, as well as the timing of the user for the medication. And the notification is also will helpful for the user to schedule a time and for the appointment to connect with the allocated doctor. And it is the this pop-up notification is very useful to the user to connect for the doctor as well. And in the screen, as we can see, there is a search bar. It is helpful to search the information regarding the doctors and regarding the medications. It is very helpful to the user. And in the app there is an interface which is obviously connected with the database. So, and in the top of the search bar, there are some categories sessions in which there are in the categories in which there are friends, families, and doctors, and other activities to do with the user to helpful for the user to contact on an emergency basis for the doctor, as well as the family friends and family friends, etc. For you. And it is the least option in the screen which we have displaying on our dashboard screen. And the top there is to see, to see all the buttons, and and it helpful to the user to redirect the all category pages which is individually created. As we have seen in the next slide, here it is the next slide we can see, here it is the family friends and active, I mean, here we can see the WhatsApp pages, and we have see the some other contacts to contact to contact for our friends and family members. And we have developed a other app like favorite persons as well as, and we can develop them. Here we can see the notification button, and we can see here your search bar to search the information as well. Here you can see, for example, hello Sarah, it is the time for your medication. This is the pop-up button, and the notification will display for the user, like regarding their appointment schedule, regarding their medication time. So these all are helpful for the user to identify for the regarding their appointment allocated doctor. And the search bar is also very helpful to search the categories as well as the doctor appointments. And this is very helpful for the user as well. And next slide is explained by one of my friend and team member. He'll continue the next slides. Thank you.
So there's the appointment screen and health provider screen. As you can see, in appointment screen, there is like a appointment where the user scheduled appointment is showed. The user When the user add the his data in the form, so the data of his appointment is saved in database. So when he uh, gets a date of appointment, he will get a notification of that. So as you can see, there is an individual page for that where the appointment is showing, and the doctor as well, the rating of the doctor, the experience of the doctor, in which hospital the doctor is. So this is the appointment page. And on the other hand, there is a health provider page that show the all the doctors with the hospital name and their rating. You can select whatever doctor you want according to their reputation, according to their reviews from in which hospital they are working. So according to that, you can select a doctor and book an appointment with him. On the other hand, the healthcare care providers uh, section is working like when the whole section, the whole thing is connected with API with different hospitals that gather the data of different doctors from the help of API. So whenever the rating or anything, the hospital name is changed, the data will automatically update it on the application. This is the usage, and this is the functionality of AI, then this is the advantage of AI. That's why we are using the API in this app. And same as the appointment screen, you can see there are when the appointment is near, then you can get a notification. So there's, as you can see, there is a screen of both appointment and healthcare. healthcare provider. So the screen of healthcare provider is uh, is in the app as best doctors. So basically, this is a healthcare provider, and you can easily see the doctor name, his experience, his review about the doctor, and all the things in the appointment screen. In the conclusion, as you can see, during this program, we gain a lot of knowledge and we improved our skill and do many things. Like as a developer, I work with a team and improve my skills and work with the people of different mindsets and get exposure of how to manage things in group. All these things are very useful for me, and how to develop the project in time and efficiently. So that's why I gain a lot of knowledge and each and all knowledge and all that stuff from this program, and this building this program and doing this developer role in this app. Thank you.